guys, welcome back cooking with Nicole. Today we're making dragon fruit ice cream, and here's all our ingredients. We have our heavy cream, we have our sweet condensed milk, we have our cinnamon, we have our nutmeg, and we have our vanilla, and also dragon fruit. Guys, you have to have your container well cool, all your ingredients. So let's go. First we're gonna start off with adding our heavy cream. And then we're gonna push these aside, and we're gonna whip it until it's very creamy. Let's go. Okay guys, here we blend, and this is how creamy, this is the texture it should be. Then we're gonna add our milk, sweet condensed milk. Then we're gonna blend again. Okay guys, we're gonna add our dragon fruit now, puree, our cinnamon, almond extract, vanilla, and then we're gonna blend again. Okay guys, and here we have our dragon fruit ice cream. We're gonna add it in a bowl to put in the fridge for storage. Yeah, you can rest it in the fridge for 7 hours or until for overnight. Okay guys, and this is the end result of our dragon fruit ice cream. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you all next time.